Today I will be presenting the new floor-mounted battery storage system from GSL Energy, the LBS102100A to 205100A high voltage battery pack. This residential ESS battery cabinet comes in 5 variants, with storage capacity ranging from 10.24 to 20.46 kWh. A reliable energy storage system which adopts the latest hybrid energy storage system, HESS, technology. It's able to detect power outages and take over as your home's energy source when the grid fails. You can also install it as part of an off-grid solar energy system, keeping your electricity running even when the sun goes down. This high-performance system also has exceptional flexibility and reliability. It uses advanced lithium iron phosphate batteries which do not require any maintenance while remaining extremely safe at the same time. Compared to many market alternatives, this advanced battery type also loses capacity at a lower rate. Additionally, the system's modular and lightweight design allows it to be transported and installed with ease. An advanced battery management system keeps the battery operating in the most efficient manner at all times. It can even be remotely controlled via an app. All this makes the system suitable for a wide range of residential and commercial applications. Its state-of-the-art technology enables effective power demand management for solar and wind power systems, which often run into problems with unpredictable power generation. You want electricity to be provided at all times, yet the wind is not always blowing, or the sun might not be shining. Our battery system is the perfect solution to help you smooth out this fluctuating energy supply, and the system has obtained many reputable international certifications such as the CE, ROSH, ULVDE, MSDS and UN 38.3. You can also rest assured that you're getting a quality product which would last a good while. The battery system comes with a 10-year warranty and is designed to operate for at least that long. At Shenzhen GSL Energy, we are headquartered in China's Guangdong province in Shenzhen City's Tian'an cyber park. We are a specialised lithium-ion battery products manufacturer who have been in business since 2006 and continue to push for becoming one of the top clean energy groups internationally by following a corporate philosophy of entrepreneurship, innovation, competition and transcendence. We have 3 production bases located in the Chinese provinces of Guangdong, Zhejiang and Shandong, set up according to the advanced quality management criteria of ISO 9001 to 2000. Ensuring the top quality of our products is our highest priority. We have a stringent 3-step quality control process consisting of the thorough preliminary inspection of raw materials, in-house quality control during manufacture and rigorous testing of completed products.